Hey guys, welcome to Amateur Cooking with Jess. Today I'm going to share with you how I make my chicken tinga tostadas. Chicken tinga is shredded chicken cooked in adobo sauce. What the adobo sauce does is it gives the chicken a smoky flavor. It's delicious and it's great for potlucks, it's great for the summer. I mean, you can eat it cold as well if you'd like. So if you want to know how I make my chicken tinga tostadas, please keep watching. And if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss any of my videos. For this recipe, we will need chicken, shredded chicken, about 2 chicken breasts, beans, adobo sauce or chipotle, 1 white onion sliced, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, 4 Roma tomatoes, 4 garlic cloves, and for the garnish we're going to use lettuce, radishes, cheese, and sour cream. And of course we're going to need the tostadas. First we're going to make our chipotle sauce. So we're going to start blending. We're going to add the 4 tomatoes. And I sliced them in half to make it easier for the blender to blend them. We're going to add the garlic cloves. We're going to add the chicken bouillon. And we're going to add some chipotle sauce. The chipotle sauce you can add as much as you want depending on how smoky you want it. To start, I'm going to go ahead and add about 3 tablespoons. Once it's been blended, you want to go ahead and taste it to see if it's good on salt and smokiness. Just in case you want it a little bit smokier, you can add some more chipotle. I think I want it a little smokier, so I'm going to go ahead and add another maybe half a tablespoon. And now I'm going to re-blend it. So my sauce is now done. Now I'm going to move on to the chicken portion. Next, we're going to heat up a pan with some canola oil and add the onions that we sliced. And we're going to cook them until they're a translucent color. Once they're a translucent color, we're going to go ahead and add the shredded chicken. It's been about 2 minutes and they're getting a nice translucent color already. They just need a little bit longer before we can add the chicken. Okay, so the onions are a nice translucent color. I am now ready to add the chicken. Once the chicken is all added, we're going to cook it for a few minutes before adding the sauce. You want to make sure to mix in all the onions with the chicken so that the chicken also gets that flavor. Once you've cooked the chicken for about 2 minutes, we're going to go ahead and add the sauce. We're going to mix it in, and we're going to cook for an additional 20 minutes or until almost all the liquid has evaporated. So once I've mixed most of the sauce with the chicken, I like to add a little bit of garlic powder. I love the taste of garlic. You don't have to add this if you don't like it, but I like it to be a little garlicky. I'm gonna stir that in. Once I've stirred it very well, I'm going to let it sit and cook for an additional 15 minutes. Okay, now that we have our mixture done, once the liquid evaporated, we are going to make our tostada. So the first thing is, we're gonna add our beans to the tostada. And I made these refried beans earlier. If you wanna learn how to make refried beans, please comment below and let me know what you'd like to see. And you don't have to use beans. I know some people don't like beans. That's fine. These are just a great addition, in my opinion. We're going to add the mixture. And then we're going to add the lettuce. Going to add some sour cream. We're going to add our cheese. Now you can use cotija or queso fresco. You can even use mozzarella if you'd like. Just some kind of shredded cheese. And we're gonna top it off with radishes. I absolutely love radishes. They have a great flavor. Now we have our tostada ready. It's colorful, just how I like it. It's full of flavor. You can always play around with the toppings. You can add some salsa, some homemade salsa. If you want to see a video on homemade salsa, comment below. Now that we have our tostada ready, I'm ready for the taste test. It's delicious. It's smoky. It's refreshing. It's really good. Okay guys, well thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, once again, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button below so you don't miss any of my videos. See you guys in my next one.